Welcome to our gingerbread condo.
It's Our House is Filled with Poop gingerbread extravaganza.
In tonight's sudden series finale, we've got a big update. We're selling the condo.
We're selling the condo.
We built a gingerbread condo completely from food. That's how we're dealing with bad news.
So how did we get here, and what was that about poop?
Quick recap!
We bought the condo in March.
Yay!
Then we discovered mold.
Yep, it smells terrible in here.
We had mold remediation, revealing that the electrical needed to be completely redone, and some of the plumbing as well. So in August, we hired an architect to rush us some official plans.
Then what happened on September 1st, Matt?
Oh, Hurricane Ida flooded our entire apartment.
And it wasn't just rainwater. Jersey City has a combined sewage and rainwater system. The sump pump pit had a hole in the bottom of it to the sewer. So a sump pump pit that is filling up isn't just water.
Sweet.
So that needs to be fixed as well. Add that to the list of expenses.
Oh, God.
We can't afford to fix it, but we can afford some fixins.
Gingerbread fixins.
We created a gingerbread condo using the design plans that took us months to make.
We wanted to see our dreams come to life. We nicknamed the house the Smart Speakeasy because the building was from the 1920s and we wanted to restore some of the original charm while also bringing in our smart home technology.
Let's welcome you right into our entryway.
Our goal for this space was to keep the original tiles that we uncovered, renew the marble stair treads and bring back their charm, and then paint the metal risers. Then we also planned to add an area of tile at the bottom of the stairs to act as a sort of mudroom. So, take off your shoes and stay a while. We also talked about adding some dramatic wallpaper here too, but didn't get there yet. On your left when you enter is the bedroom door. This was a huge bedroom for a condo, and so we were excited to add a walk-in closet to the space. We also planned to bring the bed that we already owned.
We prepared the wall right across from it with a TV power outlet.
Hoping to buy a Samsung Frame TV someday. You'd barely even know that there was a TV there. Okay, next up, I cannot wait to show you the singular most exciting thing in this entire condo. We designed the entire space around it to make sure it fit. It's an LG wash tower.
It's pretty much the reason we wanted to buy a place is so that she could get this washer and dryer combo.
There's a big capacity in a small package and all the controls are in the middle. And it will ding your phone when it's done so you don't forget about it.
For the bathroom, well, we weren't originally planning to redo the bathroom, but when it was gutted with the mold remediation, we started to think about ways to inexpensively upgrade it. So we discussed adding a classic black and white tile pattern to the floor to put back some of that original character that the building would have had, instead of these more modern tiles that the place came with. And in our gingerbread condo, we of course included the black plunger with wooden handle that I wanted so badly, like the show Schitt's Creek.
Oh, is everything about poop?
Okay, let's take you around the corner to the main living space. Let's talk about these beams. You saw us strip away the ugly covers that they put over the beams.
Oh, you're so pretty! Look at your beautiful big bolts. I love you.
They were original Carnegie steel beams. They look so cool and industrial and classic.
We decided that we wanted to paint them a deep teal green color, like the industrial architecture on the buildings in Liberty State Park.
I can't wait to show you the kitchen. Our biggest purchase and upgrade to the house was the kitchen cabinets. Before we even purchased the place, we had the design and layout for the cabinets ready to buy because there were supply shortages, so as soon as we got the keys, we ordered them right away. They're just gorgeous. The doors are real wood and almost like a shaker style, but with more details, so they're a nice mix between classic and modern design. We picked out a dark brown stain that will read as almost black, but still have some warmth to it.
And the hardware is a brass pull, which contrasts the color of the cabinets.
They're like jewelry for your cabinets.
Yeah.
We specifically wanted a second windowed cabinet on top where we could put a hammered glass insert into the door so that we could add our LED lights. Without a window in the kitchen, we wanted to have our LED lights mimic the color temperature of the sun throughout the day and give the feeling that there was natural light on that side of the room too.
Okay, I wanted a marble countertop.
Yep.
But I went to so many places where everyone just tries to talk you out of marble.
And then we visited marble.com and saw all of these amazing slabs of marble. It's gonna get worn, that's fine.
It makes it more beautiful.
We want it to be lived in.
Yeah.
We want it to feel lived in.
Coffee stains, wine stains, I don't care.
Yeah, bring them on.
That's beauty. That's
Bring 'em
beautiful.
on.
Beauty marks of stone.
Okay, so let's show the rest of the room. We are very much into hue lights. Every single light in our place is going to be a hue light.
So we chose a Ubiquiti Unify mesh network with multiple access points in the backyard, living room, all the way into the bedroom, and the central hub is in the cabinet above the fridge.
Plus, we need hubs for Sonos speakers, smart switches, and whatever the future holds for creating our own custom smart home tech. And I have to show off these floors. We are so excited about hardwood floors. They're a mid-tone with a warm color to them, so they'll look classic for many, many years. We've got some bar stools on the other side of the peninsula. I can sit there with my wine right next to your new piano.
I was planning on upgrading from 73 to 88 keys. Finally!
We also plan to pick out a new elf-shaped couch once we got settled, and also potentially install a faux fireplace down the line. We plan to get a new wooden back door with glass panes so that Wazzy could look out the window because he's so short, and he could ask to come back inside. Okay, so let's take you to see the best part of the condo. The backyard! Oh, and before we go to the big backyard, I want to show off our extra little bonus, the side yard. With a dog, this side yard is going to be amazing because we could have a designated pooping spot.
Good puppy.
Okay, let's check out the real backyard. We spent so much on the interior that we weren't planning any big updates to the backyard just yet.
But we did get a grill, and we were planning on getting a picnic table and a solo stove.
You know how I like my marshmallows. Having this backyard was the thing that sold us on the place, and we hope that someday our dream of having a backyard and all these things will come true, but it just can't be today. We have to come to terms with the fact that we can't have this.
It's frustrating. It was a huge waste of time and a huge waste of the emotions of getting our hopes up, only to have them slashed and burned.
Trusting that a house that you buy is habitable, thinking that it could be home for us and our family and our friends.
We have to let it go.
We have to let it go.
Building this gingerbread condo was worth doing because it showed us that it wasn't all for nothing, and I think that I learned the things that I wanted to from having the opportunity to see it in 3 dimensions and not just be some dream in my head.
The idea and the design, it was just always so conceptual, and us putting it into a physical form, I think has been really, really, really cool.
I think that's the beauty of it, is getting to see it and letting it go.
Oh, the toilet.
You're gonna eat the toilet?